Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we simplify personal finance and help you take control of your money. Have you ever wondered how financially successful people seem to have it all figured out? Today, we're talking about the 7 habits of financially successful people. Stick around, because these habits can completely change the way you think about money and help you build the financial future you deserve. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, they set clear financial goals. First up, financially successful people always set clear financial goals. They don't just say, "I want to save money" or "I want to be rich." Instead, they create specific, actionable goals, like, "I want to save $10,000 for a house down payment within 2 years." Or, "I want to pay off my $5,000 credit card debt in 6 months. Use the SMART goal framework to break your big financial dreams into smaller, manageable steps. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Habit number 2, they track every dollar. Successful people know exactly where their money is going. Whether they use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, or old-school pen and paper, they track every dollar they earn and spend. By keeping track of your finances, you can identify spending leaks, like unused subscriptions or excessive dining out, and redirect that money toward your goals. Knowledge is power, and when you know where your money is going, you're in control. Habit number 3, they live below their means. This one is huge. Financially successful people don't spend every dollar they earn, even when their income increases. Instead, they live below their means and prioritize saving and investing. Think of it like this. Do you really need the $7 coffee every day? Little adjustments can add up to big savings over time. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about being intentional with your spending. Habit number 4, they build multiple streams of income. Did you know that most millionaires have at least 7 streams of income? While your 9-to-5 might be your primary source of income, financially successful people don't rely on just one paycheck. Consider starting a side hustle, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or renting out a spare room on Airbnb. Diversifying your income streams not only increases your wealth, but also gives you financial security in case one source dries up. Habit number 5, they invest early and consistently. Here's a game changer. Financially successful people invest early and consistently. They understand the power of compound interest, where your money grows on itself over time. Even small amounts invested regularly can grow into significant wealth over the years. Start with your employer's 401k or open a Roth IRA. The key is consistency. Invest every month, no matter how small the amount. Habit number 6, they continuously educate themselves. Successful people never stop learning about money. They read personal finance books, listen to podcasts, and watch videos, just like this one. Education is the foundation of wealth. The more you know about saving, investing, and managing money, the better decisions you'll make. What's your favorite finance book or podcast? Let me know in the comments. Habit number 7, they avoid debt, or use it wisely. Last but definitely not least, financially successful people avoid bad debt. They don't rack up credit card balances for things they can't afford. Instead, they save up or use debt strategically. For example, taking out a mortgage to buy a home or a business loan to grow a company. Pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible and avoid falling into the trap of buy now, pay later schemes. Remember, debt can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. And there you have it, the 7 habits of financially successful people. Which habit are you excited to start working on today? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more personal finance tips, saving hacks, and strategies to build your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you're in charge of your financial future.